If you have started researching about such topics and have come to this video because of the title, then you can rest assured you really love your partner. So there's no need to doubt yourself and your feelings anymore. What's up YouTube? Welcome to Modern Mama, and today's topic is about how to make your love life better. So today I'm not going to give you any answers. Instead, I'm going to ask some questions and maybe you'll find the answers by yourself. So the first question is, why the word breakup is only associated with love affair? Why someone never says that you broke up with your father, you broke up with your mother, you broke up with your brother, you broke up with your friend? No, the word is only associated to a love affair. The second question is, why friendship, whenever friends drift apart, the friendship breaks, it's not really ugly. It's, they just drift apart. But for any love affair, many times it's just ugly. It's not really good. Why? The third question is, why everyone says love is so complicated? Maybe it's just a lot of hard work. Maybe you have to care a lot. Maybe you have to do a lot of things which just makes it a burden on yourself. Is that correct? So let's just take an example of day jobs. Many of us do it for our living to earn money, but a lot of us do not like it. Not everyone, but a lot of us. Maybe the reason is because there's just too much pressure and there is competition and there's a lot of other things which just makes it a burden on us. Now, whenever you're loving someone, you're getting into a relationship, you really do not want any of those feelings which I just mentioned in that example, right? Now, before moving forward, I would first like to tell you that whatever I'm talking about right now, it is about a committed relationship when both of you love each other, but still there are things going bad and you do not know the reason. Now, I'm going to take my own example so that some of you might be able to relate to it. Why did I want to break up with her, even though I really loved her? It was because I was not able to fulfill her expectations. I do not know if I was right. I do not know if she was right. Maybe we both were right. I just do not know. One thing now I know is why the romantic relationships, the committed relationships, the love affairs are so tough than any other relationship. Now, we have all heard that phrase, expectations leads to disappointment. But I beg to differ. Expectations make sense to me. You should expect something from every relationship of yours, and I think that's totally fine. However, over expectations leads just not to disappointment, but to disasters. We expect something from our parents, something from our siblings, our friends, and every other relationship. But the problem, the issue, the root cause, what I think is that we expect everything. We expect everything from our partner. So the question comes in my mind, why does that one person has to take the burden of every other relationship? Baby, you're my everything. This is possible. But is that in your case? Ask yourself that and understand if that is true in your partner's case as well. There's so many emotions. Happiness, being angry. You have to be emotionally supportive. You have to be intellectual. Why does that one person has to take the burden of all of that, huh? So ask yourself, how much burden can you take? And understand how much burden can your partner take as well. Remember, everything is just fine. Do not let any negativity cloud your judgment. Be smart and take the right decision, because nobody can understand that complex brain of yours better than you. So let me know in the comment section, according to you, what are the reasons for a breakup? And I'm not asking about the reasons that you or your partner did, but instead I'm asking about the reasons, I'm asking about the feelings, I'm asking about the root cause which made you or your partner do that. Thank you for listening, guys. I wish you have a great life ahead, and whether it is love or any other aspect. So, bye bye.